Hey folks, it's New Zealand's Father's Day here today, and I'm out here with my family. We've just had a bit of breakfast and we are visiting this place. So I'm going to take you through here for a little look and have a look at some of this stuff. Let's go. There's my family. So, here, or here. Here we have a special side, a special area for Jaguar fans. Covered just about, well, most of the versions of the Jaguar, I guess, through here. Beautiful V12 E-Type there. Convertible XJS. Must be pretty rare, I would have thought. Another one, hardtop. More modern XJR. Well, I say modern, 1998. Another one. My dad was a bit of a Jaguar fan and had a few of these, this sort of model going around to the, I think he had a Mark 10, like this one, I believe. Is it Mark 10? Yes, it is a Mark 10. I remember the red interiors was always pretty cool to me. A little XJC V12, two-door obviously. And then the old S-Type, Mark II. And then coming around to some older stuff here, around to an XK, hardtop, beautiful car again. So yeah, if you're a Jaguar fan, well worth a visit. Alright, moving on. Lots of American tin in here. Uh-oh, battery's dead. Whew. Look at the colour on that. All these cars are amazing. They've all been beautifully restored. Just amazing job they do down here. They restore all these cars, I believe, on site. I mean, they're just amazing. Ooh, is that a PA Vauxhall? No, don't be silly. It is in fact. Just a little video here. This site used to be the old Honda site, and they also assembled Austin Princesses and Jaguars and all sorts of stuff down here for a lot of years. I vaguely remember driving past the factory and seeing all the cars parked outside, including these things. Little Honda would have been made here. And some muscle cars here now. There's a rare old beast too, look at this thing. Corvair. A lot of this older stuff I don't really know much about, but beautiful cars nevertheless. Cadillac. Beautiful, just amazing. Very cool. Oh, Excalibur, all fiberglass, I believe. Yep, a little bit of James Bond. A little Back to the Future. I've actually driven this car for one of the Christmas parades locally here. My daughter and I got to drive that down Main Street of Nelson. Do you remember this car? Yeah, we drove on it, didn't we?
Yeah, sorry.
It's pretty cool. Old Ford V8. That's a pretty cheap price. I think we'll buy it. An old wee cutie over here. BMW. Surprisingly spacious for a two-seater. All right. So that's the front half of the museum. We're going to take a look down the back. There's a lot more to go. So we're walking through to the other half of the museum. Here's the entrance. Alright. So they've installed this since last time I was here, and this is a just a mock-up of an old gas station that used to be in Nelson, around by the beach. So that's quite a cool little display there. An old Vauxhall down there. Oh, Velox. Nice to get a description with all these vehicles too. A Maury Minor. Pickup. Yeah, that's nice.
From the outset, Caracciolo took the lead ahead of the pace. Time and again, Birkin's blower challenged for position, each time pushing the Mercedes harder and harder.
Some big old American tin in here as well. Cadillacs. I mean, look at it. 1967. Yes, I think every family owned one of these at one stage. A little Bond equip. Yep. Rare little car. Sunbeam Stiletto. Great little car. Rear engined. Got to have a V-dub. Come back around here. What do we got? Jaguar. Wolseley. Another Wolseley. An Avanti. What? Look at that. My goodness. Unusual looking car those, but very cool. What's your favourite car so far?
That blue one over there.
That one. Why's your favourite?
Because it has blue.
You like the colour, huh?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Old Humber.
Smooth and shiny, and it has roots in the front and back.
Yeah, nice. It's a beautiful car. Alright. Let's see what else we can find. Only Fools and Horses trading car from the TV show. Couple of minis here.
So it's only got 3 years instead of 4.
This is a modern Rover Mini. Over here we've got some Vauxhalls. Look at this.
There's only one wheel in the front.
Excuse me, coming round. Beautiful PB Vauxhall here. This is a car I wouldn't mind, but really needs a V8 in it. Beautiful car though. What have we got? Holden's Ford Zephyr. Just classic Kiwi icons, these cars. Chrysler. A lot of these cars are Australian and New Zealand models only, some English of course. Old Fordson. Holden EH wagon. That's pretty cool. Austin A40, I believe. Yes, Farina. Triumph. VW Common Gear. Oh, a little McRae Porsche replica. Locally built Porsche replica. Locally, I mean, I think Wellington, I think they're based out of. Running a Subaru engine. 330 horsepower. That should get it along okay. A Rolt race car. Oh, now we're talking. That. Gorgeous. Pontiac GTO. It's done some racing in its time. This car here, some of you may recognise. This car has been to Bonneville and set some records. This was locally built right here in this museum. It's an amazing little build. Go check it out on YouTube if you haven't already. Go watch the story about it. Amazing what they did here. Project 64 Mini. Just trying to see what speed it got up to. Here the passes. 166 miles an hour. Not bad for a Mini. What we got here? Valiant P76, beautiful car. We've got a mate, a long, old mate who's got one of those. Oh, I think my daughter would love that car there. Beautiful Testarossa, alongside a couple of Zephyrs. What have we got here? Renault. RS Turbo Renault. Beside a Ford Escort. I think it's a Lotus twin cam Escort. Yes, it is. Beautiful car. Alongside a Lotus Mark II Lotus Cortina. And then some BMWs. My brother owned one of these way back in the day. Exactly the same colour. Actually goes surprisingly well with these little things. Little Suzuki. Alright, I think we've just about seen it all. What's up here? BMW does some racing time by the looks of it. I've got a Ford Focus.
This is amazing.
It seems like an
Fiat. Huh?
It's Studebaker.
Yeah, no, pretty radical, eh?
Yeah. What's that? It is new. Yeah, 2017, so like 5 years old.
Very different styling, isn't it?
You're older than that.
And the old classic RX-7. How you doing? Stutz. Jeepers. Seat of the pants stuff here. 5.9 litre, 4 cylinder. Come on.
The party was finally over when WR went into receivership. In 1931, the Rolls Royce had taken them over.
Another old Cadillac. 1950.
Although drivers like Tim Birkin tried to continue, his blow Bentleys never won.
Gangsters love them, don't they? Trying to have a look at this Porsche again. I don't know if it's genuine or not. I don't want to be touching it and tapping on it to see if it's fiberglass or not, but either way, it's an awesome little car. And a sizable Cadillac there. Look at the state of this. Just massive. Oh, and half a car there. Must have run out of money. Alright, and that's it. Well worth a visit. Come and check it out yourself.